Welcome to Master Trader Live, where you learn simple market analysis and trade ideas to make money investing and trading. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you an actual trade recommendation we just put out to our weekly trader option service. It will provide a real-time trading opportunity for you to see how we analyze the market and give trade recommendations. Let's start here with why we like to short option trades very briefly. We're using compelling patterns, and all we're doing is placing a bet of where the chart is not going to go by expiration. And we get paid for that because of time decay inherent in option trading. Whether we sell a bull put credit spread or naked puts, we're going to profit if the stock goes up, sideways, and down all the way to the break-even point. And we call that the cushion or edge to be wrong. So just like an insurance company, we're getting paid every day on that time decay, provided, of course, there's no catastrophic gap against us. Let's take a look at Restoration Hardware, RH. Here's the daily chart with all of our recommendations. We start with a compelling pattern. No pattern, no trade. This had a pro gap up here in early September. Then last week, it had another professional gap igniting a new move. We have a very strong uptrend, rising 20, rising 50, rising 200. And then the last couple of days, it's retraced gradually into the gap fill area in a controlled manner. This prior high over here is going to be our minor support. The next level of minor support will be the gap fill area. It's a bullish pattern. We recommended selling the $87.50 puts, which are way the heck down here, for 45 cents a share. There's high implied volatility in next week's cycle, and it has an implied volatility rank, which means of the past year of trading, it's 70% at the high range right now. So I like referring to that as juice. When we sell options and spreads, we want to get paid for the risk. So receiving 45 cents a share for these far out of the money puts gives us a good reward to risk, a good juice, if you will, for the premium. Our break even is the 87.5 short strike price, less the premium that went in our pocket. So that's the 87.05. The maximum gain when selling any options is always the premium received. So if you sold a 10 lot on this, for example, that would be $450 hitting your brokerage account. And we still make our maximum gain, which is above the 87.5 short strike. If the stock falls 12.3%, we still make our $450 or 45 cents a share, which is why we love these trades. Here is the quote screen when the stock was at $99.50 a short time ago when we put this trade on. So just a caveat, I don't want to get any hate email. We definitely recommend only trading, particularly for beginners and intermediates, so I guess this is more of an advanced trade. Only trade liquid options because it's hard to get in and it's even harder to get out if things are getting chaotic and the spreads open up even further. But you can see the wide spreads on all of these out of the money options. The stock is trading at $99.50. So everything under $99.50 is considered out of the money, and it will be worthless if it closes above that amount at expiration in 9 days. So based on the chart, we said it's up to the trader. But anything under 88.5 strike, we were happy with the reward to risk. We are going to track the 87.5, which I have highlighted here for you. And we said try to get 40 or 45 cents a share. It has a delta of 0.09, so that suggests a 91% probability of this far out of the money put expiring worthless in 9 days. We prefer short credit spreads, which is selling one put, buying a further out of the money put, because that limits our risk and our margin. But particularly when you're dealing with more illiquid stocks like this, if we wanted to buy an out of the money put, those were spready too, and we were giving up too much of our 45-cent credit here. So that's why we recommended the naked put here. That's it. That's all for this video. This was an actual trade that we just posted in our Master Trader Weekly Options Trader. So feel free to give it a test drive. It's all you need to do is subscribe to our main advisory letter. You can take a 21-day trial for a mere $7, and then we throw this one in free with it. It's a terrific way to make weekly and monthly income. Please continue to watch the videos on our channel. We have tremendous content here, and feel free to leave me any questions in the comment section below. And I hope you enjoyed this, and you can press the like button and have a great trading week.